Okay, we'll go and roll into it. Be mindful, yeah, I'm pulling out of the Corvette in fourth gear, and just so the car doesn't step out like that. Start to open up the exit across turn 2. There you go. Okay, cut the turning cone, fast by it down to the center of the car. That's good. All the way to the top. Run back for arrow here across 4. You don't want a lot of heavy braking pressure at the top of the hill. Very easy to overload the front tires, and as the course is decreasing, just so we can reduce that weight transfer to the front. About that late apex here across turn 5. And then Cole and Steven again, make sure we're late apexing for turn 5. All the way back to the top here, Mike. Try to follow through that turning cone there on the left-hand side, Mike. There you go. Try and maximize a little more speed on corner exit out of 7. You're setting up nice and high. Look to the back side of the apex going to fade. Passing by now. Nicely done. So here, Mike, let's go ahead and pick up another lap. Just watch your corner exit out of 10. Again, I'm maintaining fourth gear coming out. I don't have that stem intervention to kind of slowing this down too much. I'm rolling into it. I'm already flat as soon as the car's pointing. That looks a lot better. It's going to get the car turned in. And I'm going all the way to the edge of the track. Try to straighten out the wheel before we get across that running water. Nice job there, Mike. Nice to the top. We're just coasting, look across the apex of 3. There you go, now you can take your vision down into the bowl here, Mike. Cole and Steven start looking across turn 3 there, and then getting your vision into the bowl. We're in a late apex here, Mike. You're going to run a little bit sooner than you think. There you go, built that straightaway, eyes to the top of the hill. Looks a lot better through the exit here, Mike. And one input going in with their steering, and then unwinding one time. Perfect. Give me a better lap here. Alright, nice way to finish there, Mike. We are going to go ahead and ready for our cool down. So Mike, Cole, and Steven, heads up. We're just going to simply gather dive this time and start our cool down. You can just stay behind me here, Mike. We won't necessarily rotate. Cole and Steven